From your FoodNerd POS dashboard, quickly access our robust reports section. This streamlines operations, giving you fast access to vital business intelligence. From the Reports menu, select the Purchase Report. This provides transparency for all procurement, enabling robust cost control. The Purchase Report loads, offering an immediate overview of acquisitions. Gain instant visibility into your procurement. Easily filter your report data by date range for precise analysis. This provides actionable insights to optimize spending and identify key purchasing trends. Scroll through your comprehensive list of purchased items. Easily track every ingredient, location, and quantity for precise inventory management. Examine details like stock location, supplier, unit cost, and total quantity. Gain granular control over inventory and supplier relationships for informed decisions. Review total purchase amounts and export your report to CSV, XLSX, or PDF. This simplifies sharing, record keeping, and analysis.